Can you get a 720 in NEET? It's not a piece of cake, but the right process and step can lead to it. In this video, we will discuss the right strategies and process which leads to a 720. Come, let's see. Getting a 720 in NEET is a very difficult and tedious process because it requires a lot of hard work and you have to dedicate yourself towards it. The first step in getting 720 is you have to be determined. You have to be self-confident. You should be a person who can handle mental stress, distractions and everything. A lot of students get demotivated and due to stress they lack in studying, and you should be a person who can overcome it. And if you are not a person, try to change yourself and be the person. Step 2, avoid distractions. A lot of distractions comes to our mind, may it be social media, friends, family. So you have to be determined that you have to get a 720 and you have to only study and only concentrate in NEET. Be a person who avoid distractions like social media. Avoid unwanted announcements or unofficial notices like the postponement news. Don't make friends. You have friends to discuss some of the problems and doubts, and you should not move other than that. Now, for a NEET student, as a NEET aspirant, your priority should be NEET examination. Be clear with NCERT concepts. NCERT, the mother of NEET, almost 90% of the question should and will come from NCERT. For biology, each and every line is important. For physics and chemistry, the concepts from NCERT is important, whether it is from the institute book or your YouTube lecture classes. So the concept should be clean and clear. Step 4, you have to take proper and effective notes. So notes are important. Notes are important for revision. Notes are important for reference. So you have to make your own notes. You may join a crash course, may it be a YouTube lecture. So you have to take proper and effective notes. In that notes, you should have clean and clear concepts and key points of the notes and some analogies where you can remember those examples or reactions or physics formulas. For physics, you have to make a formula chart where it should cover all formulas from each and every concept. For chemistry, reaction charts is very important, and you should make each and every concept's reaction chart and revise it daily. Next comes the question to the mind, how to be clear with each and every concepts. There are a lot of concepts, so practicing each concept and solving questions in each concept can lead to it. By solving question, you encounter wrong answers. Find those wrong answers, which chapters are they from, and reread the chapters, and it will lead to your success. So solving 100 questions each day in physics, biology and chemistry is important. Step 6, when you learn new concepts and solve new problems, you encounter doubts. Clear those doubts with faculty or with friends. Doubt clearance is an important part in NEET preparation. You have to attend at least one mock test per day. Apart from attending mock test, you have to revise the concepts 2 hours each day. You have to revise the examples, the concepts, physics formula chart, the chemistry reaction chart. Everything is important. First day it will take 4 to 5 hours for revision. Next day the number of revision hours will reduce because you get familiar. As you get familiar, as you revise it daily, time taken for the revision reduces. So finally you can revise it in 2 hours. You can't revise a whole concept in 2 hours, but you can separate, you can module it, and you can revise each concept each day. Wrong answer analysis plays an important role in NEET preparation. Almost all NEET aspirants lose their mark due to their wrong answering in NEET examination. So you have to reduce the number of wrong answers you make in NEET. When you are attending mock test daily, you have to do wrong answer discussion and analysis. And you have to reread the concepts from which you have made mistakes. Time management is important thing. Without time management, you can't even think about a 720 in NEET. For each and every question, you have to give 1 minute. This ability you have to develop. How you can develop is by practicing mock tests and previous year questions. Sit for 3 hours and practice it daily. This will greatly improve your time management. The last and the final tip is you have to do previous year questions.
Undertake now.
Because a lot of similar questions is being asked in the forthcoming NEET examination. To make yourself familiar with the NEET NTA pattern, and also some of the questions are being repeated from the previous year questions, which will make NEET examination for you easier. And to get a 720, you have to attend each and every question correctly. So doing previous year questions can help in this. These are the steps you have to follow for getting a 720 in NEET. I hope this helps you. Follow these steps and reach your destiny. I hope you got it. Bye.